So there are certain advantages to being part of the JHL umbrella of organizations, which includes the Cohen Home, Berman Jewish Home, Aviv Rehab, the One Group, Weinstein Hospice. It gives us the overall support from a community level that most organizations in senior living are not going to have. And that includes things like having more PPE than any other company that's out there, having our own private testing lab for COVID tests. God forbid anybody has any positive tests or needs to be tested, we can have results back in 48 to 72 hours, as opposed to some places getting results back in 10 days. You also have the fact that we have 24-hour nurses on site at both Berman Commons and the Cohen Home, which gives you advantage of not having a CNA having to make tough decisions and having a nurse on site that can make those calls for you.
During these changes with COVID, our department has made all the necessary adjustments to follow all the CDC guidelines to ensure that the staff and the family stay safe.
Well, we've been continuing to treat our residents here through the whole process. Unfortunately, with all of the isolation, there have been, residents will progressively get a little weaker, so we've had a few extra patients come on caseload. And, we're just here to help them stay strong through all of this and keep everybody healthy and out of the hospitals.
I feel that the morale is good and everyone feels they're safe here. We have all the equipment and that we need and all, and everyone has adjusted. It's been challenging, but everyone has adjusted well. Staff continues to do the best they can for each resident and provide the best care that we can.
You also have Jewish Home Life Medical Services that will come here and act as the primary care physician for our residents if they'd like to, which gives them the opportunity to not have to go out as much and to have the diagnosis right on site and cut down on the miscommunication between the resident, the doctor, and the community. Not having the family having to come in as much. There's a lot of advantages to being part of that JHL umbrella, and the differentiators are really what make the difference in a senior living community.
I feel like we are taking the necessary precautions here at the facility as a whole, not just at Berman Commons, but Jewish Home and Cohen Home as well. Making sure that the residents are wearing masks when they're out of their rooms. Staff is always wearing their masks.
Yes, we've still been doing the same thing, making sure they're all, cleaning their hands at least every 30 minutes, making sure they are, they're clean, the environment is safe for them. And, even them, they feel more, they feel comfortable and they trust us.
I know it's not easy, but we're here for you, and please feel free to reach out to myself or any member of the team, and we will be happy to do our best to ensure that we get through this together as a team.